In this video we will discuss how to draw a two-room plan. For any plan, first of all we have to calculate outer boundaries in x-axis and in y-axis. And if we talk about walls, the standard for wall is 6 inches or 8 inches. Here I have taken 6 inches, and there are 3 walls in x-axis. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 inches. And if I want to convert these inches into feet, so 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So simply divide your inches by 12, so it will be converted into feet. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 inches. Divide 18 by 12, so it will be 1.5 feet. And then the internal dimension, this is from here to here 12, and from here to here is also 12. So 12 plus 12 plus 1.5, which is of walls. So this will be 25.5 in x-axis. Now if we talk about y-axis, so there are 2 walls, 6 plus 6, 12 inches. So 12 inches is simply a feet, 1 feet, and this is 16 feet. So this will be 17 feet in y-axis. Now we simply will draw. It is 25.5 feet into 17 feet, because we first write dimension in x-axis then in y-axis. So how to draw this? We will simply establish command of rectangle in our command bar, REC. Type press enter, click anywhere, and then @ then the first dimension in x-axis, which was 25.5 feet, then comma, then in y-axis, which is 17 feet, then enter. So our rectangle is formed. In order to move it, type M, click on it, enter, and move. Now what we have to do is we have to form this wall, this outer wall. So we will copy by offset, command of offset. We have discussed all these commands in previous videos, so must watch the videos for commands. I am here directly doing this in order to save time. Here I am taking offset of 6 inches for walls. Then what I will have to do is, from here to here was 12 inches, so offset of 12 inches. But before that I have to explode that, because if I select it here, whole the rectangle is selected, but I only have to copy one line, not the whole rectangle. So in order to break rectangle into lines, we have command of explode, which is X. Type X in your command bar and then click on object, then enter. So now I can offset. Offset is used for parallel copy. I can offset a single line as well. From here to here was 12, and from here to here was also 12. If we see our original drawing, that was from here to here 12, and from here to here was 12. From here to here is 10. So now the offset of 10 feet, and I want to make this a wall, so offset of 6. Now this portion is unnecessary, so I have to remove this, as in this portion is removed. So I'm doing this directly. First of all I have to extend the lines, this line and this line, so that I can remove this portion by the command of trim. And these lines are also to be removed. And now these portions, now two rooms, the main structure of two rooms is formed. Now I have to place doors, windows, ventilators, which I am doing directly and must watch separate videos for door, windows, ventilators, etc. For doors, I am taking offset of 3 feet if I want to make doors of 3 feet. Doors can be of 3 feet, 4 feet, etc. according to the demand. Then the free space for doors. I have taken this offset of 3 feet because my door was of 3 feet, and this little offset of 3 inches because door will start from here and close at here, open at here, start from here and making an arc open at here. So this small space will be left because door will not touch the wall. Now I have to establish command of extend. Type EX in your command bar and double enter, then click here to increase this line from small portion, small offset, and for here extend this line. Similarly here this line, and from here I have to make another offset as well of 3 feet of this line, not the second one but the first one, this one here. Why I made that, I'm gonna explain that. Extend this line here, also extend this line, and for this small offset extend this line in this way. And this will be explained if you watch separate video of doors. Then simply here, from here select arc of start end direction, then making arc, door will start from here and end at here, then this is the direction. Similarly for other doors, start and direction. Then the command of trim for removing unnecessary parts, this, 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 now these lines will not be removed from the command of trim. So establish command of raise by E and then remove them. I can see that some these portions are cut. I have to extend now these lines so that my design will be accurate. And here this line is extra, so trim it. Doors are formed. This door will open from here in this way, making an arc. Now for windows and ventilators, watch separate videos for them.